Air conditioning installation on a tall building is a highly specialized and challenging task that requires a combination of technical expertise, strict safety measures, and smooth teamwork. In this process, trained technicians mount the outdoor AC compressor units on the exterior wall of the high-rise structure, often many floors above ground level. The workers wear strong safety harnesses and use support ropes and protective gear to prevent any accidents while working at such extreme heights. First, they measure and mark the exact area where the metal brackets will be fixed, ensuring the structure can handle the weight of the compressor. They drill holes and secure the brackets tightly into the wall, checking for perfect alignment. After the support is ready, the heavy outdoor unit is carefully lifted and positioned onto the brackets, sometimes using ropes or pulley systems. Another technician inside the building assists by guiding cables, supporting tools, and helping with precise placement. Once the unit is fixed firmly, they connect copper pipes, electrical wiring, and drainage lines, making sure the entire setup is properly sealed to prevent gas leakage or water dripping.